Your brain is shrinking right now. After age 40, you lose 5% of your brain every 10 years. But here's the shocking truth most doctors won't tell you: you can actually grow new brain cells at any age. I'm going to show you 13 proven ways to multiply your brain cells starting today. Stay until the end because method number 10 increased brain cell growth by 400% in clinical studies. I'm your host at Holistic, where we share science-backed natural health methods in simple English. Let's dive in. Method 1. Aerobic exercise. The number one most powerful way to grow brain cells is aerobic exercise. Walking, cycling, or swimming does something incredible. It floods your brain with oxygen and blood. This triggers special growth proteins that literally multiply your brain cells. But here's the game changer: high-intensity interval training. You exercise hard for 30 seconds, rest for 90 seconds, and repeat. Studies show this boosts BDNF by 300%. BDNF is like fertilizer for your brain. It helps memory, learning, and mood. You don't need a gym. Just walk fast for 30 seconds, slow down, and repeat. Do this 3 times per week minimum. Method 2. EAT omega-3 fats. Your brain is 60% fat. That makes it the fattiest organ in your body, so you need to feed it the right fats. Omega-3 South are brain-building materials. The best sources are virgin cod liver oil, salmon, sardines, anchovies, and mackerel. These contain DHA, the exact type of omega-3 your brain uses to repair damage and build new cells. When you eat these foods regularly, your thinking becomes clearer because your brain forms more connections. But here's what you must avoid: seed oils. Soybean oil, canola oil, corn oil, and vegetable oil cause brain inflammation. They're in processed foods and deep-fried foods. Cut these out immediately. Method 3. Boost your ketones. Ketones are your brain's superfuel. They're more efficient than sugar for making brain energy. Ketones can even bypass damaged parts of your brain to improve overall function. The fastest way to boost ketones: add 1 to 2 teaspoons of MCT oil to your morning coffee. MCT oil comes from coconut and has been clinically proven to boost memory, concentration, and focus. Your body also makes ketones naturally when you eat less than 50 grams of carbs per day. This is called the keto diet. Your body burns its own fat and produces ketones that feed your brain. Method 4. Intermittent fasting. This method is powerful. Eat all your food within a 6-hour window each day. Fast for the remaining 18 hours, drinking only water. Studies show this increases BDNF by a shocking 400%. That's 4 times more brain growth factor than normal. Low BDNF levels are linked to Alzheimer's, dementia, and depression. Why does fasting work? It gives your body time to rest and repair. Instead of digesting food constantly, your body focuses on healing your brain. Start with a 12-hour fast and slowly work up to 16 to 18 hours. Method 5. Cold therapy. Take a cold shower for just 2 to 3 minutes daily. Sounds uncomfortable, but the benefits are incredible. Cold water boosts norepinephrine, a brain chemical that improves focus, mood, and reduces brain inflammation. People with anxiety and depression report feeling calmer and happier after cold therapy. Cold showers also increase BDNF, helping you grow more brain cells and improve memory. Start warm, then end with 30 seconds of cold water. Gradually increase the cold time. Method 6. Reduce stress. Long-term stress physically shrinks your brain, especially the hippocampus. This is the part that makes most new brain cells. High stress raises cortisol, causing anxiety, overthinking, and poor sleep. Protect your brain by getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly. This is when your brain repairs itself. Take magnesium L-threonate. It crosses into your brain and turns off your stress response. Vitamin B1 also relaxes your nervous system and repairs nerve cells. Get B1 from sunflower seeds, organic pork, squash, nutritional yeast, and salmon. Method 7. Avoid brain-damaging foods. Some foods destroy brain cells. Avoid these. Refined sugar and carbs cause inflammation, and insulin resistance. Alcohol kills brain cells directly. Processed foods, full of toxic additives, artificial sweeteners, damage neurons, trans fats found in margarine and baked goods. MSG overexcites brain cells until they die. These foods prevent your brain from growing new cells. Cut them out completely. Method 8. Heal your gut. Your gut and brain are connected through the gut-brain axis. Friendly bacteria in your gut produce brain-protecting compounds like butyrate, serotonin, and B vitamins. To boost good gut bacteria, eat fermented foods, sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, pickles, and raw vegetables. Hard cheeses are also good. You can also take probiotic supplements occasionally for an extra boost. A healthy gut equals a healthy brain. This is science proven. Method 9. Get sunlight. Humans evolved outdoors. We need sunlight to make certain brain hormones. Infrared rays from the sun actually penetrate your skull and boost melatonin. This protects your brain and improves sleep quality. Walk outside for at least 30 minutes daily. Your skin absorbs UV rays and converts them into vitamin D, which is crucial for brain health. Get morning sunlight especially. It sets your circadian rhythm and improves mental clarity. Method 10. Herbal supplements. These herbs multiply brain cells. Lion's mane mushroom boosts nerve growth factor to increase brain cell count dramatically. Ginkgo biloba increases blood flow to brain, protects cells, and grows new ones. Bacopa monnieri helps brain cells make more connections for better memory. Rhodiola reduces cortisol and stress for clearer thinking. You can take these separately or use a blend like Mind Lab Pro, which contains multiple brain-boosting ingredients. These are backed by clinical research. Method 11. Stimulate your brain. Use it or lose it applies to your brain. Challenge your brain regularly to make new connections. Do puzzles and crosswords. Read books on new topics. Learn a new skill or musical instrument. These strengthen neural connections. Have meaningful conversations and debates. Being social promotes neurogenesis. Practice mindfulness meditation and deep breathing. Studies show this increases gray matter in your brain. Your brain grows when you challenge it. Method 12. Top brain foods. These foods provide raw materials for new brain cells. Pasture-raised. Egg yolks, rich in choline that builds brain tissue. Oily fish. Best protein for brain, loaded with choline and DHA. Organ meats. Liver, kidney, and brain are packed with B vitamins. Blueberries contain resveratrol that lowers brain inflammation. Shellfish, loaded with iodine and zinc for nerve communication. Green tea. Catechins lower inflammation and reverse insulin resistance. Pumpkin seeds, rich in magnesium and zinc for brain cell communication. Turmeric, curcumin lowers brain inflammation. Organic coffee, 1 to 2 cups supports brain function. Don't overdo it. Bone broth, glycine and amino acids build brain cells. Grass-fed butter, vitamins A, E, K2, and butyrate for brain health. Leafy greens. Folate builds red blood cells that carry oxygen to brain. Eat these foods daily for maximum brain growth. You can multiply your brain cells at any age through neurogenesis. You don't need to do everything, but the more you do, the better. Quick recap. Do aerobic exercise and HIIT training, eat DH-rich foods and avoid seed oils, boost ketones with MCT oil or keto diet, practice intermittent fasting. Take cold showers, reduce stress with magnesium and B1, avoid refined carbs, sugar, and alcohol. Eat fermented foods for gut health. Get daily sunlight exposure. Take herbal supplements like lion's mane. Challenge your brain with puzzles and learning. Eat brain-building foods daily. These methods are proven by science. They protect your brain from shrinking and even increase brain size. Which method will you start with today? Comment below and let me know. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Holistic, and turn on all notifications for more health tips. Share this with someone who needs to protect their brain. Thanks for watching. I wish you great brain health and a sharp mind for life.